You can see here 244 and I can connect. Wait, you can see here again the message. When the opponent is saying me cancel, I am saying no. Randomfy. When the opponent send me cancel, I say no. The opponent he send me 1 second, he IP float me. I can connect. Let me check. You can see here I can connect. The opponent float me. We can see in. The opponent IP float me is 245. I think the opponent is recording right now. I get offline. I no show the match because the opponent IP float me. Look at 245. Again the message. When the opponent send me cancel, I say no, and the opponent IP float me. You can see here. This is the. You can see here not type filet. I can connect. Opponent IP float me 246. You're gonna see in. I can see in. He IP float me to record. I no show the match. I'm the crown team. You can see. You can see. I can see in. Opponent IP float me on the first map. When I start the first map, opponent IP float me. So good game, bro.